Hey there, let's take a closer look at a true standout for your outdoor space, the Mayhew Club Chair from Berlin Gardens. With its clean lines and subtle East Coast charm, it delivers a fresh, contemporary feel that works beautifully in any upscale patio or backyard setting. Built to last, this chair is made from high-grade poly lumber, dense, durable, and virtually maintenance-free. Unlike natural wood, it won't crack, fade, or rot, and the color is infused with UV protectants, so there's no painting or sealing required. Crafted in the USA by Amish artisans and made with 95% recycled plastic, it's both eco-conscious and exceptionally well made. Comfort is just as impressive. Plush cushions are wrapped in Dacron with quick-drying foam inside, making them perfect for rain or humidity. Covered in premium Sunbrella fabric, they're easy to clean, resist mildew, and come with a 5-year fade warranty. You'll also notice thoughtful details like self-welt trim that adds polish to the cushions, plus corrosion-resistant stainless steel and aluminum fasteners built to endure the elements. For peace of mind, the poly lumber carries a 20-year residential warranty, with additional coverage on cushions and fabric. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.